Ever wonder how to save your promote photos on the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let's check out the picture format option and when you might want to use them. To do so, open Camera app, tap the quick control icon, then tap the settings icon. Under picture section, tap Advanced Pictures option, tap Promote Picture Format. Here you will see three choices. JPEG format. This is the default. It's perfect if you want ready to share photos with smaller file sizes. RAW and JPEG format. It saves two files for each shot, one polished JPEG and one RAW file you can edit deeply later. And RAW format. It captures only the RAW files, best if you only care about advanced editing. For example, if you are into photography and plan to tweak your shot in Lightroom, you can choose RAW and JPEG format. That way you will get a clean JPEG for quick sharing and a RAW file with all the details for editing. And that's how you control the promote picture format on your Galaxy S25 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.